Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lou. In today's video, we'll be creating something with items from the Dollar Tree. So with that being said, let's get to crafting. So here we are. We got tomato cages from the Dollar Tree, two sets. They have small, medium, and large in each set. We have some malica rope that I separated. That was from the Walmart. And the twine from the Dollar Tree. We have some pallets, 4 of them, from the Dollar Tree. Our antique wax that I bought at Walmart. Our glue, my favorite glue. Our sanding block from Walmart. And our tools, which is scissors and the bone folder. Our baby wipes. We have some vases and candles from the Dollar Tree. Our rub-on stickers, rub-on stickers from the Dollar Tree, our greenery from Amazon, and our heat gun. So I start off by, and I didn't mention some air dry clay squares that I made for feet, and some craft sticks that aren't pictured here either. You'll see how I use them. So I start off by wrapping the hoops in the nautical rope and twisting it as I go along to make it tight and so that it doesn't unravel. I do glue it at the beginning and every so often along the way. And here I have 3. Now these are the 2 medium ones from each cage and one of the smaller ones. I then take the antique wax and paint my palettes. I love this color. I just absolutely love this color. It is so pretty. It's kind of brownish. It almost has a brownish reddish color. It's beautiful. I love it. And this is my favorite way of applying it. So while those dry, I take some of the rub-on transfers and cut the words out to use on the vases, on the tall vases. Now, I used it on the tall vases and then I ended up taking them off. As you'll notice at the end, I used the black chalkboard in the back and used stickers instead. This came out beautifully, but something was off, and I guess the whole thing is that I'm putting on the words, but I have this black blotch in the back, and something was off. So, though I do put them on and everything, and they do look beautiful, I like the way it came out, I still kind of take them off. Yeah, they did come out beautifully. You can't really tell right here, but so now we take our hoops and glue them onto one of the crates. Now the only thing here is that I struggled a little bit because I'm trying to put the hoops on this crate and they want to pop out. So I did struggle a little bit. I mean, it worked, but I did struggle a little bit. I finally got them glued in, as you'll see here in a moment. But it just came out beautifully. And then, as I put the other crate underneath, I realized that it was not going to sit flushed. So I had to cut the other part of the ring, or the hoop, rather, so I could sit the other one underneath it. So here I am testing it and make sure that it sits, that I'm able to sit it when I crisscross the hoops. So I glued the other crate underneath, crisscrossed the hoops, and put the smaller one inside there, or rather on the outside. came out so pretty. I used both glue and twine around all three to hold them together. Now the only thing here that I noticed is I glued the end of the twine on the outside instead of on the inside. So how does that saying go? Do as I say, not as I do. But it all worked out. You can hardly tell. This glue just not. It glues it glues. It dries really clear, so it's all good. It came out so pretty though. Really, really nice. Then I take some of my greenery and I cut a piece of it. Now this particular greenery that I got from Amazon, it comes in 3 separate vines. This is just one stretch of it. It's beautiful. I really like it. So I decide which one I want facing forward, which one I want facing to the back. So this is where the craft sticks come in, because I didn't like how it looked. You could see the inside of underneath or inside the between the 2 craft sticks, and I didn't like that. So I found a way of covering it, and when I tested the craft sticks, they actually sit just perfectly, as you'll see here in a moment. I cut them. I used a little bit of a nail file to kind of soften the edges, and they sit perfectly between the 2 crates. These are the jumbo sticks, I believe, from Walmart. Yes. It came out so pretty. I love this. I love the way this came out. And you'll see at the end, it has all kinds of possibilities. I only put 3 together. I then took the antique wax and wiped it as I did before with the baby wipe. If you made it this far, thank you for watching. Hope you like it. I'm now putting in the little feet to give it some rise. Hope you stay till the end to see all the different possibilities. And give me a like or a comment. Here I started off with the tall vases and ended up with the short vases and the potpourri. But like I said, there's a lot of possibilities. So thank you.